Alright, here it is in all its glory. Workbench Mark 1.5, because it really still has the original liner in it. And you can kind of see the way I constructed it. Basically, I had a bunch of old 2x4s, made a frame with those, and that's the original all digital piece of ductwork that I used. It was like a couple feet square, and I had to add, you can see that seam right there, I had to add like a triangular piece right there, and tried to insulate it so I could leave my stuff out here in the winter, and it worked with mixed results. So here's the plan. That's staying. The pegboard bar is staying. That's going. That wooden shelf is going. It's nothing but a culch catcher anyways. I'll figure out something else to do with my tools. And everything in here is going. That piece of plastic lining it, this stuff here, I'm probably going to save that because some of it's in reasonably good shape and I can use it for something else, being the cheap bastard that I am. But all the metal is going. So, alright, onward to destruction. And here's the finished result. Now, I did not take a video of this while I was constructing this part of it, but, well, I am a chainsaw carpenter at best. And it wasn't pretty because, you know, when the base you start out with is neither straight nor square, it kind of makes for some funky woodwork. But this should definitely do the trick. I've even got a cover that's permanently on it now, which is nice. I don't have to pull the other one off and try to find some place to store it while I'm casting. I just pick this up out of the way, and Bob's your uncle. Ta-da! And this is all sealed with Thompson's water seal. These bars are removable. Now this one's a little tight, but can be adjusted. They're all removable. It should be a heck of a lot ruggeder than what I was using. They were just 2x2s, and they're starting to get a little bit worn out in the middle. So these should definitely hold anything that I want to put on there of any different size, with plenty of room left to reach down and scoop, with lots and lots of volume for sand. So the next order of business is going to be getting my sand processed, get back in there and get back to doing some casting. Now, the only problem with using the Thompson's water seal is I think I got good results with it, but just due to the nature of the weather the last couple of weeks, it has been quite humid up here in Maine, and it took forever to dry. Forever. But it finally did, with the help of a couple of hand towels and a heat gun. But I got her there, and it definitely holds water. So, that is that. And you can see, I might add some insulation to it at some point. But, yeah, there it is. And instead of shop work, this is what I'm doing for fun today. Remember how I said it's been kind of humid? Well, we had a hurricane come up here about a week or so ago. Hurricane Lee. I'm sure you saw it on the news. And it wasn't that bad, but I had a couple of dead elm trees in the backyard. And, well, I no longer have the elm trees in the backyard. I am now pretending that I am a lumberjack and cutting them down before they came down by themselves and hurt somebody or something. So that's what I'm doing for fun and games today. Well, I hope you all enjoyed the video. We'll see you real soon. Have a nice day. And I got to get back to seeing if I can cut limbs off of the tree. Not me. On the tree. Yeah, that's it. The tree. Have a good one.